Hey folks, Alan Manic, the HotRodHippie here, coming to you with a little bit more SEMA 2018 content. This is a new tool thing for the folks in the paint and body world, so let's check it out. I'm going to start off with a quick disclaimer. I am not a paint and body person. I maybe spot prime things. That is about it. When it comes to putting filler, primer, paint on a vehicle, that's not my deal. I am a metalworker, I am a fabricator, and I am an ASE certified auto tech. So if these products are not new to you, if this is old hat to you, let me know in the comments down below. While walking around the SEMA show floor, I walked by Scangrip. They had a couple of products that really caught my eye, so let's go ahead and discuss them. The first one was a new product for them. That is their UV curing light system called the Nova Lights. The UV curing lights are available in a pen light version, a handheld version, and a floodlight version. They are rechargeable lights, so you don't have to be tripping over a cord or working around the shop. High quality die cast aluminum bodies that are IP67 waterproof rated. So if you're wet sanding around these lights, don't worry about it. Wash them off, clean them off. They are rated for that exposure. The idea with these UV curing lights is to go ahead and cure the products you're putting on a vehicle. They are really handy for spot-in work, for blending work, for things where you're working all around a car in the collision world, working flat rate. You know you need to be buffing out that fender. At the same time, you need to clean up that filler work, that primer work on that back quarter panel so you can get that ready for paint. The handheld version has a neat little magnet in the base, so you can actually stick this to that quarter panel, shine it on the area it needs to be working on, and go work on something else. You can go ahead and put the work light version on a regular roll around stand light setup so you can get that right where you need it to be to flood the area for larger panel work. The quality of these really seemed to be there. It was a really nice product to have in my hands. I feel like their work lights I've seen under other branding before, and I've been really impressed with what I've seen from them, so this might be the supplier for those other brands that I've seen previously. Battery life seems pretty decent, especially if you're talking really truly a 1-minute cure time. The floodlight version lasts with a 6,000 milliamp hour battery, 1.5 hours on a charge. The other thing that really caught my eye as a videographer, as somebody who tries to produce high quality video content, they really caught my attention with their SunMatch lights, their color matching lights. Their color matching system under the SunMatch 2 system really caught my attention. It uses a multiple Kelvin rating system. So these lights will actually be adjustable for different lighting conditions. You might use a SunMatch light, a traditional one, will get that panel looking beautiful, right on out to detail. It's great. You put it outside, ready for delivery, and today's an overcast day. It's a much flatter light out there. It's a much cooler light. And suddenly that fender and that door just don't match right anymore. Well, what's going on here? I used the color match light. From beginning to end, it looked beautiful. Now it doesn't look right outside. With their lights, you can actually adjust to different Kelvin ratings. So you can go to that warmer light, you can go to that cooler light, and you can check under different lighting conditions how your light's gonna look. Along with that is CRI rating. If you're not familiar, CRI is color reproduction index. Again, you have probably noticed that a lot of different lights, especially cheaper LED lights, really mess with colors. You shine a cheap underhood light from some of these other manufacturers out there onto a vehicle, and suddenly you realize that like the blue looks purple, the red looks magenta. Things just don't look right because the color isn't being reproduced accurately. The folks at Scangrip use a system they're calling CRI Plus. Their color match lights are CRI 96 Plus rated. That is the best color reproduction index rating I have personally seen on aftermarket automotive specific lights. The pen light version's running around $115, $120. Unfortunately, the pricing I have on the UV ones is in euros at the moment. The handheld version is running somewhere between $150 for the UV one on up to like $250 for the color match one with the multiple Kelvin ratings, and the floodlight version is somewhere around $380, $390. You can actually get these in a full kit with the pen light, hand light, and the floodlight all together for around $500, $600 depending on where you get them from. Again, this is just an outside perspective. I am not a paint nor body person. Maybe you know of other products I should check out. Go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. I have more auto paint and body stuff as well as mechanic tools coming very soon in other videos. Look for that shortly. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more content like this all the time. Thanks for coming around, folks.